Hi everyone, good evening all of you, and welcome to our YouTube channel Library Science with Rakesh Meena sir and our team. So guys, today we are going to starting our new video, the class number 11. So let's start the class guys. Before the starting classes, we are discussing a few points relating to the video. This video was helpful for all librarian examination for conducting the India. The first question of video: who developed the information for gaining model? Option A is the, option B is, and option C is the, and option D is. So guys, tick the correct and most appropriate answer guys. The correct answer for that question guys, option number A. Option number A is correct answer for that question, and the information for gaining model was developed in the year of 1919. Okay guys, I hope you learned that. Next question is the question number second. In which year classification research group was founded in England? Option A is the 1950, option B is the 1952, option C is the 1955, option D is the 1958. So guys, tick the correct and right answer for that question guys. The correct answer for that question, option number B. Option number B is 1952. Yes guys, CRG, that means Classification Research Group, was founded in UK in the year of 1952. Yes guys. Next question is question number 3. Universal Decimal Classification, the short form is UDC scheme, is an example of: option A is enumerative classification, option B is faceted classification, option C is almost enumerative classification, and option D is the almost faceted classification. So guys, mark the correct answer quickly and fast, and it is the most important question for relating to the library examinations. The correct answer for that question guys, option number D. Option number D is the almost faceted classification. Yes guys, and UDC is a scheme of classification that calls Universal Decimal Classification, and UDC was developed by Paul Outlet and Henry LaFontaine. Yes guys. Next is the question number 4. Question number 4 is: in cataloging, sign loco means. Yes guys, it is a root word relating to the Latin term sign loco. Sign loco is root word relating to Latin language. Yes guys. Option A is the without publishers, option B is the without title, option C is the without place, and option D is the without year. So tick the right answer guys. The right answer for that question is option number C. Option number C is without place. Yes guys, this is the correct answer for that question. Sign loco is a Latin phrase. Sign loco is Latin phrase. That means without a place. Yes guys, that means without a place, and it's also know that use the term when the publication publication is unknown. That means use the term sign loco. Okay guys, next is the question number 5th. Question number 5th is operating systems developed by Google for mobile phone is called. Option A is Opera, option B is Apple, option B is Android, option C is Apple, and option D is Linux. So guys, pick the right and most appropriate answer for that question guys. The right answer for that question is option number B. Option number B is Android. Yes guys, the operating system developed by Google for Android system. Yes, Android system is the correct answer. And Opera is a web browser. Apple is a company of mobile production. And Linux is a operating system. Yes, I hope you guys like the video. Next question is question number 6. Sixth question is very most important question. DBase is option A is the application software, option B is the system software, option C is the internal storage, and option D is external storage. So guys, take the correct and right answer for that question. The right answer for that question is option A. Option A is the correct answer for that question. Yes, DBase is also known that was one of the first database that calls DBMS, database management system, and it also operated and platform is Microsoft. Yes guys, MS, Microsoft. So DBase is also know that DBMS. It is the correct answer for that question. Next question is the question number 7th. Question number 7th is which one of the following is regarded as supplement to all types of reference sources? Option A is the biography, option B is directory, option C is the encyclopedia, and option number 4th is gadgetiers. So guys, mark the correct and right answer for that question. The correct answer for that question is option number C. Option number C is encyclopedia is the right answer for that question. Next is the question number 8th. Question number 8th is most important question. Encyclopedia Britannica ceased in its print publication in the year of option A is 2012, option B is 2018, option C is 2010, and option D is 2009. So guys, take the correct and most appropriate answer. The correct answer for that question is option number A. Option number A is 2012. Yes guys, this is the right answer for that question. In March 2012, Britannica's president George Coase announced that it would not produce any new print edition of encyclopedia, and 15th editions of Encyclopedia Britannica, 15th editions in the year of published 2010 is the last edition of printed format Encyclopedia of Britannica, and this set was published in 32 volumes. Okay, so guys, we are forwarding. The next question is question number 9th. Question number 9 is Europa World of Learning is an example of option. First is professional directory, second is institutional directory, third is topographical directory, and fourth is telephonic directory. So guys, tick the correct answer for that question. The correct answer for that question is option number B. Option number B is denoted by institutional directory. Yes, Europa World of Learning is a program and publications of institutional directory, and it is a annual publications that's beginning in the year of 1947. I hope you guys learning these things. Next question is question number 10th. Question number 10th is a most important question, so read the carefully guys. The Nehru Memorial Museum and Library, it is a autonomous institution functioning under the which type of department and ministry? So first is Ministry of HRD, just called Human Resource Development. Option B is Ministry of Sports. Option C is Ministry of Culture, and option fourth is Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. So guys, tick the correct and right answer. The right answer for that question is option number 3, that calls Ministry of Culture. This is the correct answer for that question. And it was founded in the year of 1964 after the death of India's first PM Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question is question number 11. Acquisition work of the document comprised of option first is selection and classification, second is selection and cataloging, third is selection and reference services, and fourth is selection, procurement and accessing. The right answer for that question guys, tick the correct answer. The correct answer for that question is option number 4th. Option number 4th is selection and procurement and accessing. That is the work of acquisition document comprised. Next is the question number 12th. Which is not a social bookmarking site? Yes guys, it is most important question, and that question types is asked in NET examination and different types of state eligibility examination, just called lectureship basis. Option 1 is Digg, option 2 is Squidoo, option 3 is Delicious, and option 4 is Facebook. So guys, mark the correct answer for that question. The correct answer for that question, option number 2nd. Option number 2nd is Squidoo. Yes, Squidoo was a revenue sharing. Yes, it is a revenue sharing article writing website. Okay guys, and it was founded in the year of October 2005, and founder is Seth Godin. I hope you guys please like the video and comment the description box and press the bell icon for the news updated. Question number 13 is the major part of the special library budget is spent of. Option 1 is building, option 2 is periodicals, option 3 is furniture, and option number 4 is books. So guys, mark the correct right answer, guys. The correct answer for that question is option number B. Option number B, yeah or 2 is correct answer for that question. Yes, periodically is correct answer for this question. Next question is the question number 14th. Which of the following is not a section of a main entry in CCC edition according to the 5? First is leading section, second is title section, third is name section, and fourth is tracing section. So guys, mark the correct answer for this given examination and options. The correct answer for that question, guys, option number C. Option number C is name section. Yes guys, option number 3 is name section is not a section of a main entry in CCC according to edition 5. Next is the question number 15th. Question number 15 is most important question. The database Indian patents is published by. Option 1 is NISCARE, option 2 is NASDOC, option C is NISTADIS, and option 4 is DECIDOC. So guys, take the correct and right answer for that question. The right answer for that question is option number A. Option number A is NISCARE is correct answer for this question, guys. So guys, we will discuss all 4 options for the learning basis purpose. NISCARE full form is National Institute of Science, Communication and Information Resources, and it was founded in the year of 13th September 2002. Next is NASDOC. Yes guys, NASDOC is full form is National Social Sciences Documentation Center, and it was founded in the year of 1969 at New Delhi. Okay guys, third is the NISTADIS. The full form of a National Institute of Science and Technology and Development of Studies, and it was founded in the year of 13 September 1980. And next is the DECIDOC. Yes guys, DECIDOC is a famous name, and it was organized by DRDO. DRDO was Defense Research Development Organization. DECIDOC. So guys, DECIDOC full form is Defense Scientific Information and Documentation Center, and it was also founded in the year of 29th July 1970, and the director of it's Alka Suri. So guys, please learn this thing and for the examination purpose. Next is the question number 16th. Question number 16th is contents by generals in is an example of. Option A is CAS, option B is SDI, option 3 is DDS, and option 4 is translation. So guys, tick the correct and right answer for that question. The correct answer for that question, option number A. Option number A is CAS. Yes, it is a correct answer for that question. We are discussing the CAS full form is Current Awareness Services. Yes guys, Current Awareness selective dissemination services, guys. Next is the question number 17th. Question number 17th is relating to the management of library system and management part. So guys, read the carefully of question number 17th. Question number 17th is the principles of management by objectives, short form is MBO, were propounded in 1954. Option 1 is Peter Drucker, option 2 is Dr. S.R. Ranganathan, option 3 is Peter Brophy, and option 4 is Peter Anderson. So guys, tick the correct and right answer for this question. The right answer for that question is option number A. Yes guys, Peter Drucker was founded management by objectives in the year of 1954. MBO in 1954. It is the correct answer for this question by Peter Drucker. Next is question number 18th. National Knowledge Resource Consortium NKRC was established in the year of option 1 is 1920, option 2 is 2001, option 3 is 2005, option 4 is 2009. So guys, tick the right and correct answer for this question. The right answer for this question is option D. Option D is 2009 is correct answer for this question. It is a central level organization. Next is question number 19. Question number 19th is a very commonly used question in library science examination. The question is, the Delivery of Books Act was initiated in the year of option 1 1951, option 2 1954, option 3 is 1964, option 4 is 1867. So guys, tick the correct and right answer for this question. The right answer for this question is option number B. Option number B or 2 is, that means 1954. Yes guys, the Delivery of Books and Newspaper Act was initiated in the year of 1954. It is a correct answer for this question. Next and last question of our test series is question number 20. Question number 20 is, in colon classification according to 6th edition, the main class of W denotes is option 1 is education, option 2 is history, option 3 is political science, option 4 is economics. These are basic main class of colon classification guys, so tick the correct and most important option. The right answer for that question is option number C. Yes guys, option number C is denoted by political science. The W class is denoted by political science according to 6th edition of colon classification. I hope you guys enjoy the test series, and please like our videos and YouTube channel and subscribe the bell icon for giving the new updates for video series and our vacancy series. So please like the video and comment the description box. I hope you enjoy the video. Okay guys, thank you so much. Please like the video and share the all groups.